Welcome to today's meditation to help you to attract your specific person and make them contact you instantly. This meditation will deepen the connection that you have with your specific person. This meditation will help you to create that beautiful, strong, supportive, and loving relationship that you want with your specific person. Find a comfortable place away from distractions and allow yourself to relax fully. All that is required of you for this to be effective is for you to have an entirely open mind, to believe that this is possible, to believe in the power of love, to believe in the power of the connection between you and your specific person. Your belief creates your reality. You are in control. Allow yourself to do this consciously and watch the miracles unfold in your life. Now, let's begin by bringing your awareness fully to your breath. So, with every inhale, you inhale peace, love, and positivity, and you feel that flood into your being, bathing every one of your cells with positivity, love, and peace. And with every exhale, you notice that anything negative or any tension is just simply released. It's exhaled and it's gone. Continue to breathe in love, peace, and bliss. And with every exhale, continue to eliminate everything from you that no longer serves you. None of it is needed by you anymore, and it is gone. Leaving your entire body vibrating and pulsating with love and peace and bliss and beautiful high vibrations. Notice how this feels. Notice any sensations throughout your body. This is actually your true being, your true self. This is your natural state. This is you. And now I want you to visualize a beautiful pink fluffy cloud all around you, encasing you and caressing you with love. This beautiful cloud is a powerful, pulsating love vibration. It is entirely surrounding you right now. You feel a love, a support, and a safety that you have never felt before. I want you to think of a moment in your life when you have felt most loved, most happy, most blissful. Think of that moment right now. Think of those feelings and multiply them by 100 because this cloud is that. This beautiful pink cloud is all of that. You are feeling this love. You are feeling every cell in your body vibrating in this high frequency. And while you are feeling this, you notice way in the distance an outline, and you focus on this as you realize it's your specific person. It is your love. It is the person with whom you know you have this deep connection with. And you realize that they are coming closer to you. They are getting bigger and bigger. And they are moving towards you. You know it's them because you feel their presence. You feel their energy. And you notice how it is getting more and more intense as they get closer and closer to you. And you realize that they are drawn to you. They are drawn to this beautiful love, this beautiful peace, serenity, and bliss that you are. You realize that the more you are this, the more they need to be with you. They can't help but come closer to you. And as they come closer to you, you notice that they themselves are emitting more of this peace, this bliss, this love. You notice them glow. You notice them start to really match your frequency. And you notice that the two of you are vibrating so high. The two of you are vibrating purely on the frequency of love. And this holds the two of you together as you notice now that they are right in front of you and you're held there connected. Eye to eye, heart to heart, soul to soul. You feel the energy surrounding the two of you, encompassing you together as you gaze at them, feeling their presence. Noticing all the details that make them them. Allowing this pink cloud to wash anything away, what no longer serves you. It's holding the two of you together, but it's also cleansing you. It's purifying you, both of you, you as one. It bathes every cell within your body. Notice how right and how beautiful it feels. Keep inhaling this pink cloud of light and exhaling anything that no longer serves you. Now is the space and time to communicate anything you need to communicate to your specific person. And slowly and gently bring your focus and your attention back here, back to this physical reality. You are this love that you felt. This connection that you feel is here always. You are always surrounded by this pink cloud of light and love. It's always holding the two of you together. Believe this. Know this. Trust in this. And it is so. It is done. This love is beautiful. This love is blissful. This love is yours. Inhale it in now. Allow it to bathe every cell of your body once more. And exhale one last time, removing anything that no longer serves you. It is done. When you feel ready, open your eyes knowing that you brought this person back here with you. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, "We have a soul deep connection," to affirm that you have attracted back your specific person. And if you felt the power of this meditation, it is nothing compared to how you will feel when you completely release all of those blocks and limiting beliefs from you and your specific person. Decide today that the love between you and your specific person is irreplaceable and worth fighting for, and no negative beliefs are going to stand in your way. Get the Worship Me spell and banish these limiting beliefs from your mind by clicking the link in the description box below or heading to joybyjanell.com. I have thousands of 5-star reviews on my site so you can see how great my spells work. Bye, my loves. See you in the next meditation.